Let's talk about making a document. First step you want to do is click on Design System and go down and say set up your design system. That's really the whole strength of this, and if you're not using a design system, you're missing out on the biggest advantage of Claude Design. I have a lot of images. I'm just going to drop all the images here just so we have everything available. Any other notes down here, we can choose what the vibe is going to be, and we can say continue to generation. I'll click on generate. It takes maybe 5 minutes to do though. So once your design system has been created, you can click through everything on the left side or just scroll on the right side. It's just different, chapters basically. So we can go down and check out the logo, and of course the logo I updated or uploaded, and then they have that kind of a duplicate mode there. You've got several different images here. We've got voice and copy, and you can edit all of this, of course, as well. If you don't like what these little reviews say or whatever, you can change your colors. They've got several different color schemes here. So ocean blues, sand and cream. There's like a sunset one. And then down here, the core stuff. So obviously this is very like playful looking just based on the font. And I think this mostly matches it. Of course, this isn't a real design. This is just showing us what the buttons look like and stuff. But we've got forms, shadows, pretty much anything you would want. You can really edit all of that down here. So again, choosing the same design system. For the template, I'm going to choose a document. And I'm going to say make a pricing menu for potential. So let's just say it's going to be a document with like our offerings, basically a menu that we want to make. I'm going to use a lower model in this one. Like I said before, we used Fable 5. I'm going to use Opus 4.8 and see what it comes up with. I think this looks really good. I mean, it added things that I asked it to. It added some extra things as well, which I wanted it to do. And it made this look really good overall. And like I keep saying throughout this video, the main benefit is going to be that consistency in the design. You can share right away. You can add destinations. So Canva, Base 44, Lovable. You can have it set up, go right to your website on Wix. You can use it on Adobe. There's a lot of different destinations you can have for this. So it's not necessarily siloed here. This is a great place to start a project like this. Then you can send it to those other platforms if you want to tweak it or add things or put it into other projects, for example.